Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at a very interesting issue surrounding the legal battle of Nnamdi Kanu. Recently, Barrister Maxwell Opara appeared on KAA Truths studio, where he spoke about the issue of lawyers coming and leaving Nnamdi Kanu's legal team. His message was clear. A lawyer is there to represent the client, but the client has the right to decide who represents him. And this discussion has opened a bigger conversation about lawyers, clients, loyalty, professional disagreements, and the pressure that comes with handling a very sensitive case like that of Nnamdi Kanu. Let's break it down.
The issue as regards to Mr. Ejiofor's claim that you guys had a fallout. Anyway, let me appeal, please, KAA. You see, I don't like talking about Ifeanyi Ejiofor's matter. Amobin Zela has come into this matter and left. Moma SN has come into this matter and left. Obeta has come into this matter and left. I can tell you people that have come into this matter and left. I have been doing matter for people. They will say, Maxwell, please give me my file. They collect it and give to another lawyer. I have seen, in fact, I'm even doing one now from Enugu. They say that somebody they arrested and the lawyer is not doing well. I called the lawyer. He said, yes, that those people are troublesome person. I said, can I enter? He said, yes. They brought the file. When you are doing a matter, and the KAA came into this matter, first one, Nnamdi Kanu asked him, you should wait. A whole KAA, the former attorney general, a grandfather. KAA left. When Nnamdi Kanu, when finished as a Supreme Court come back, Nnamdi Kanu still called KAA. KAA said that he prayed God said that he should come. He came. And he did this matter. Conclude the trial. When it reached to the defense, Nnamdi Kanu said, this is how I want it to be. They said, no, you can't do it in this way. He said, that's the way I want to do it. We left. We left. And I said, I cannot abandon Nnamdi Kanu. I'm doing some other of his matter. But this one he said that he's going to do. I should be contributing. Now, when somebody who are doing a matter said, please, I don't want you to do my matter again. Why should that be a problem? Why should you want to put down the whole roof? Why should you be attacking your colleagues? I was in Germany. When I came back, that's when I heard that Nnamdi Kanu has asked them to leave. I asked, Maz, what's the problem? Why? He told me something that I should keep it. I heard him saying, I said, okay. I even went to him. I said, guy, I said, yes, move on with your life. In fact, you know, but the way he's taking this, and I've never seen it before. As if Nnamdi Kanu say,
he told you something as regards to dissatisfaction.
Yes.
With Mazi.
Yes. It's his session. He's the person handling the matter now. It's his case. I hear what I'm saying. It's his case. Like now, this appellant brief. Me and we are having problem about it. I said, there's something that you want to write. I won't be a party to that. He was telling me the reason. I was in Sokoto last 4 days. We quarreled. The sister was there. We quarreled. I said, guy, you are putting yourself into trouble. I'm pitying for you because you are the person that is suffering it. He told me that, Mas, I don't even need anything outside. People allow it to be in this way. I said, okay. What he asked me to do, I have given my own. Posted it in my wall. Go to my wall, you see it. I explain what I did. Give to him. It is then left for him. If he said, Max, I don't want you to be in Sokoto again. I don't want to. I'll go my way now. I don't say.
Is there no lead counsel?
That's what I'm saying now. KAA was leading as a senior. Ejiofor came and was leading. Michael Zakome came and take over the leading. Now, when they left, a lawyer now is leading. So the point I'm making is that when you are, I'm doing a matter for you, and you're lawyer, okay, you say, Max said this, end office, I want to see, say this. Max, I want to thank you for all that you have done. How much is your money balance? I said, I will send it to you. Just give me 1 month. I want another person to handle the matter. I said, I hope I did not do. He said, no. Probably the judge, the matter is, somebody told me that he had a problem with you, and I don't want you to handle the matter in that it will affect my case. I said, okay. I will leave your matter now. If I have conscience, I will say, that balance, just leave it when you win the case. So it's not that I will now go and start fighting, try to see how I can put you down. It's not good now.
From what Barrister Maxwell Opara explained, his position is that this is not something strange in the legal profession. According to him, lawyers come and lawyers go. A person can hire a lawyer today and tomorrow decide to choose another lawyer because of differences in strategy, communication, or confidence. And this is where the expression, soldier go, soldier comes, something like that. Soldier go, soldier come. The meaning is simple. In a long battle, different people may take different positions at different times. One person leaves, another person comes in, continues, but the mission continues. The focus should not be on individual lawyer. The focus should be on the case itself. Concerning the right of a client to choose a lawyer, you know, one of the stronger points raised by Barrister Maxwell Opara is that Nnamdi Kanu, like every other person facing a legal matter, has the right to choose who represents him. A lawyer works for the client. The client does not work for the lawyer. If a client feels that a different legal strategy is needed, the client has the right to make that decision. This is not only about Nnamdi Kanu. This is a general principle in law. Whether it is a businessman, politician, activist, or ordinary citizen, everyone has the right to decide who handles their legal matters. And here, still on the issue of lawyers leaving the case, Barrister Opara also pointed out that this is not the first time lawyers have left Nnamdi Kanu's legal team. He mentioned that several respected lawyers, Agabi, and have been involved at different times, Ozekome, and at different stages, and later moved away from the case. His argument is that this happens in major legal battles. A case can have different lawyers at different times. A senior lawyer may start the journey. Another lawyer may continue. Another lawyer may take over later. That does not automatically mean someone failed. Now let's go to the major part of what he said. There are the issues around Barrister Ejiofor. This is where the public discussion becomes sensitive. There are suggestions and opinions from some people that Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor was not happy after leaving the legal team, and that the disagreement may have gone beyond the normal professional separation. But we must be careful here. Unless someone clearly provides evidence of intention, we cannot simply conclude that somebody wants to destroy the case. However, the concern many people have is this: when a lawyer and a client separates, should the matter remain professional or should it become a public fight? That is the question many people are asking. Because this is not an ordinary case. The Nnamdi Kanu matter has attracted huge public attention, emotions, and political interest. Now, every statement made by lawyers involved can influence public opinion. Now, looking at everything together, my reaction is that the most important person in any legal case is the person whose freedom and future are involved. Lawyers are very important. They provide knowledge, they provide experience and strategy. But at the end of the day, the client has the final choice. A lawyer may advise a client, but the client has the right to accept or reject the advice. That is why he said at a particular point in time, Nnamdi Kanu said he will defend himself. Somebody told him it is not right. He said he wants to, and he has the final decision to make. So, at the same time, lawyers also deserve respect. They spend time, energy, and reputation handling difficult cases. If disagreements happen, they should be handled with maturity. The danger is when professional disagreements become personal battles. And when that happens, supporters start fighting among themselves. And the real issue gets lost. The question should not be which lawyer is winning the argument. The question should be, is the legal team doing what is best for the person they are representing? The Nnamdi Kanu case is already one of the most followed legal battles in Nigeria. Because of emotions surrounding it, every change in the legal team becomes a major story. But we should remember that even the biggest cases around the world, legal teams change, people leave. New people come in, that is it. The important thing is whether the person's rights are protected and whether the defense remains strong. So the main message from Barrister Maxwell Opara is this: a client has the right to choose his lawyer. A lawyer can come in to a case and later leave. The case must continue. That is what matters. The focus should be or should remain on justice, fairness, and protecting the rights of the person involved. At the end of the day, lawyers may change, but the responsibility remains. The battle continues. And what matters most is the result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section.